Hey guys, welcome back again in another wonderful video. Guys, I want to use the opportunity to welcome you all into today's teaching. Yeah, so today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make your own attraction, bonding, and money face powder. A lot of people don't actually like using attraction black soap. Some people don't like using attraction oil, love and bonding attraction oil, because some believe that it darkens, and especially those people that has light skin color, so they don't actually fancy using any other oil that is not their skin routine oil, or soup that is not their skin routine oil. So that is why I have come to tell you how we can benefit of the love bonding and attraction powder. At least most people, majority of people use white powder on their faces. So that is why I am here to tell you and to teach you how you can do that by yourself. All right. But before I go into that teaching, I want to use this beautiful opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. I really love your support. May God Almighty bless you for supporting the channel. And to my newest subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Please do not go away without subscribing and also turning on your notification bell, because it's going to help you so that whenever I upload new video, you will get notification and then you watch it. All right. Thank you for doing that, and also leave your comment under the comment section after watching this video. And if you want us to prepare this particular love and bonding attraction and favor face powder, then you can send us a message under the comment section. All right, now let's proceed. In my table here I have a lot of ingredients. All right, so to prepare this love and attraction bonding favor face powder, these are the things that you'll be needing. Here I have my herbs. Okay, my dry herbs. This one here is called Missy Missy, Away Missy Missy Sweet Leaf. Okay, that is the English name. I have made a video on how you can fortify your bracelets, your ankle chain, and other things on this video. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. All right, it's very important. I have my Ewo Missy Missy, okay, dry one, and I also have my glove. I have 7 pieces of glove here. I have my stick cinnamon powder, and I have my alligator pepper. We are going to be making use of 7 seeds of this alligator pepper. Now, if you have your alligator pepper that you have already opened for cleansing, you can make use of that. It works as well. Okay, all you have to do is to can 7 seed out from it. All right. Now I have my egg. Okay, you can use native egg. Native egg is more preferable, but because I cannot lay my hand on the native egg, I am using English egg. But wherever I cannot lay your hand on native egg where you are living, you can use English egg as well. All right, so I have my coconut. Yeah, I have my coconut. Okay, my coconut. So how will I make use of this? How will I make use of all these ingredients to produce love and attraction powder? Now I have a special powder called six flower. I also have a special oil called six flower oil. So this is the powder, this is the oil. Okay, the same people that produce the oil produce the powder as well. Now get me your pot, your normal pot, your little normal pot. Now get your coconut. You can use 3 big coconut that has water. All right, crack the coconut, pour the water inside your pot, and then this cinnamon powder, add it inside the pot, add the clove, count 7 seeds of this alligator pepper, add it inside the pot, and then your egg, put it there. Now this leaf, put it, that is the final thing they're going to put inside that pot. All right, so follow, make sure that you follow it the way I just said it now. Okay, now after that, place the pot on the fire, let the egg boil. Let the egg boil. You're not going to be adding any extra water again. The egg should boil with the coconut water. Then boil the egg, and after the egg must have done, bring it down and allow the mixture to cool down. And after that, just take this egg out. Now, when you are taking this egg out, I want you to hold the egg like this and begin to make a prayer for yourself. Begin to make your wish. See, let me tell you, anything you wish while holding this egg is what you are going to get. If you wish to get that love and bonding from maybe from your boss or from a boss woman or boss man in the office, or maybe there's this particular favor that you're looking for someone to actually help you to get, say it. Anything that is your heart desire of you practicing this, make that desire known to God and to yourself. All right. So you make that prayer, and after that, now crack the egg, like peel the egg. Okay. This egg, the egg now has become what? The egg of wealth, the egg of attraction and bonding for love. You know, some people don't actually expose this secret, but because of the love I have for my subscribers and viewers, I decided to expose it to them, to tell them how they can be able to prepare that all by themselves. All right. Now peel the back of this egg, and then the eggshell, keep it, allow it to dry. Then when it must have dried, now use blender to blend it into a powdery form. The egg itself, eat it. The moment you're eating this, if there is any negative energy causing disappointment, causing making people to hate you, making suitors not to come in your way, making as in your relationship to always be a fair relationship, that will be the end of that day that you ate this egg. All right, as you can see, what we're using here, they are all natural things. Now blend the eggshell. All right, after it have turned into the powdering form, what do you do next? Now take this flour oil, a little, like one or two drop of it, add it inside that blended eggshell powder, mix it with this your hand, this your commanding hand, mix it very well and be making your prayer. And after that, go and get yourself this powder. All right, now open the powder from here and then mix the eggshell, mix it and then shake it very well. Shake it. Now you have to use it on these days. You're supposed to on Mondays and what? Thursdays and Sundays. All right. So every other day is cancelled. And let me tell you, if you are married and you are staying peacefully with your husband, I will not advise you to do that. But if you have a daughter that is up to the age of marriage and she is not getting any suitor or any serious person, prepare this. So, but whereby you cannot prepare this, we'll prepare it and send it to anywhere you're watching me from, all right? For those of you staying in Nigeria, you can easily get this ingredient and do it by yourself. Then when you're doing it, I want you to have faith that it's going to work for you. That is the most important thing that you need to incorporate while you are doing this particular recipe, okay? So, lovelies, that is just the end of this video today. Thank you for watching. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share it, and also leave your comment. If you want us to prepare this and send it to you anywhere you're watching me from, let us know under the comment section. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. May God Almighty bless you. Bye.